How to protect your reputation from theft charges. Imagine waking up one day to find your name linked to a crime you did not commit. Protecting your reputation when facing theft charges is about more than just legal defense. It's about safeguarding your future, your relationships, and how others see you. The first step is understanding what theft charges really mean. Theft involves unlawfully taking someone else's property with the intent to keep it permanently. It can be petty theft for small items or grand theft for larger sums or valuable possessions. The severity depends on the value of what was taken and how it happened. To get convicted, the prosecution must prove you took the property, that it belonged to someone else, and that you intended to keep it. If any of these points are not clear or can be challenged, your case weakens. A good defense attorney will look at every detail. For example, if you did not mean to steal, that can be a strong defense. Maybe you took something by mistake or thought it was yours. Showing you had no plan to permanently deprive the owner can lead to charges being dropped or reduced. If you had permission from the owner, even if it was a misunderstanding, that can also help. Evidence like texts or witness statements can prove consent. Sometimes, you might have been wrongly identified. If you can show you were somewhere else during the theft, that creates doubt. Claiming you believed the property was yours is another defense. Providing proof that supports your belief can make a difference. In rare cases, mental health issues might be used as a defense if you did not understand your actions. If police obtained evidence unlawfully, your attorney can argue to have it thrown out, which can weaken the case against you. You might also argue that you were forced or tricked into committing the theft. Beyond legal tactics, there are practical steps to protect your reputation. Hire an experienced lawyer as soon as possible. They can advise you on what to say or avoid saying. Do not discuss your case publicly or on social media. Anything you say can be used against you later. Gather evidence that supports your story, like receipts, surveillance videos, or messages. Find witnesses who can testify on your behalf. If it's a minor case or your first offense, your lawyer might negotiate a plea deal or alternative programs like community service or counseling. Preparing for court involves dressing well, being respectful, and following your lawyer's advice. If you are found not guilty or charges are dropped, you might still need to rebuild your reputation. Be honest when asked about the case and focus on the facts. If you are convicted, consider ways to show you are changing, like volunteering or furthering your education. Protecting your reputation from theft charges involves understanding the law, working with a good lawyer, and managing how you present yourself. Taking these steps can help you face the situation confidently and minimize long-term damage.